So, my name is Rifki Maulana. I'm from National Institute of Technology Bandung, majoring in Information System. To fulfill assignment in English course, I will present and tell you about One Piece, anime from Japan. What is One Piece? One Piece is a Japanese manga about pirate adventure. Manga read and drawn by Eiichiro Oda, created in July 1997, then turned into an anime by Toei Animation in 1999. What is the story of One Piece? The story follows the adventures of Monkey D. Luffy, creates a group called the Straw Hat Pirate, a boy whose body gained the properties of rubber after unintentionally eating a devil fruit. Luffy explored the Grand Line in search of the world treasure known as One Piece, in order to become the next king of the pirate. Who is the character in One Piece? I will introduce the character in One Piece. And first is Usopp. Usopp, also known as Sogeking, he is the sniper of the Straw Hat Pirate. His dream of becoming a brave warrior of the sea just like his father. He has bounty 30,000 berry. And 2 is Tony Chopper, also known as Cotton Candy Lover. Chopper is the doctor of the Straw Hat Pirate. Chopper is a rider that ate the Hito Nomi, a devil fruit that allows its user to transform into a human hybrid or human at will. He has bounty 50 berry. And 3 is Sanji. He have nickname is Blackleg. He is the cook of the Straw Hat Pirate. His dream is to find the rumored safe paradise, All Blue, a legendary sea containing every kind of fish in the world. He has bounty 77,000 berry. And 4 is Roronoa Zoro, also known as a pirate hunter, skilled swordsman who uses up to 3 swords at once, clutching the third in his mouth. He is the second member of the crew and the first to join. He wants to become the world's greatest swordsman. He has bounty 120,000 berry. And 5 is Monkey D. Luffy, also known as a Straw Hat Luffy. He is the main protagonist of the manga and anime One Piece. He is the founder and captain of the Straw Hat Pirate. He ate the devil fruit Gomu Gomu no Mi and made him a rubber man. His dream is to become the pirate king. He has bounty 30,000 berry, 100,000 berry. And 6 is Nico Robin, also known Demon Child. She is the archaeologist of the Straw Hat Pirate. Robin ate the Hana Hana no Mi at a young age, giving her the power to reproduce her body parts on any surface at will. She has 90,000 berry. Cat and 7 is Cat Burglar Nami. She is the navigator of the Straw Hat Pirate. She is the third member of the crew and the second to join. She has the ability to recognize and analyze the weather. She is also an excellent on pickpocket. Her dream is to draw a complete map of the world. She has bounty 16,000 berry. And 8 is Frankie, also known as the Cyborg. He is the shipwright of the Straw Hat Pirate. He is the 8th member of the crew and the 7th to join. Frankie's dreams is to create and ride a ship capable of circumnavigating the world. He has bounty 44,000 berry. And last is Brook. Brook, also known Homing Brook. He is the musician of the Straw Hat Pirate. He is the one of their 2 swordsmen with Zoro. He is the 9th member of the crew. Brook eat the Yomi Yomi no Mi, which allow him to return to life after death once. Well, list of One Piece saga, and the first one is the East Blue Saga. In this saga, the introduced saga of the series. This is where Luffy recruit most of his crew and where the adventure begin. And 2 is the Alabasta Saga. This is the second saga in the manga and anime One Piece. It follows the Straw Hat Pirate and their effort to help Princess Nefertari Vivi try to reach her homeland before a massive war breaks out. And 3 is the Sky Island Saga. This is the third saga in One Piece, a mysterious land above the clouds. Once there, they become a massive war that may result in the destruction of Sky Island. And 4 is the Water 7 Saga. Also known as the World Government Saga, this is the fourth saga in One Piece. This place like Venice in Italy. And 5 is the Thriller Bark Saga. This is the fifth saga in the manga and anime One Piece. The Straw Hat Pirates travel to the ghost island of Thriller-Bark. And 6 is the Summit War Saga. This is the sixth saga in the anime and manga series One Piece. A massive war unfolds between the world government and the Whitebird pirate. And climax is the Luffy brother should be in execution at Marineford. And 7 is the Fishman Island Saga. This is the seventh saga. Luffy defeat the new Fishman pirate who plan on conquering and destroying the island. And 8 is the Dressrosa Saga, also known as the Pirate Alien Saga, is the 8th saga. In this saga, the Straw Hat Pirates finally enter the new world. And the last is the First Emperor Saga. This is the 9th saga in the manga and anime One Piece. In this saga, the ninja, pirate, samurai, alliance is formed to take down Kaido. He is the one of the first emperors. And how One Piece can be so interesting. And first is the figures of the marine. Figures marines in One Piece is not always the defender of truth, but also the party who often abuse power. There are types of marine who choose absolute justice and only care about the goals that must be achieved no matter the means, including when it comes to killing civilians. And there are also types who prefer to discuss the situation and wage justice based on the conditions in the field. And 2 is rise above racism. One Piece also raises themes that are relevant to the current situation, for example, relate to racism. This is told through the fishman, who is symbol of racism in the world. Fishmen have lived on the seabed and continue to have dreams of being able to go up to land and live with other humans. Unfortunately, many humans on land refuse to live together and give equal degrees to fishmen, and consider fishmen to be just trash. And 3 is anti-fascism values. And first is the burning of the world government. Luffy himself had openly challenged the world government. At that time, the Straw Hat Pirates were on a mission to rescue Nico Robin at Enies Lobby. Luffy orders Usopp to burn the flag of the world government at the top of the Tower of Justice. The burning of the world government flag gives the impression that Luffy doesn't care about an oligarchic system like that of the world government. And 2 is Luffy beat Tenryubito, a world Nabar. The Tenryubito is the interpretation of the world government, the noble people who are at the highest level of the hierarchy. The reason Luffy beat him because they hurt his friend. He didn't care that the attack could trigger the arrival of the Marine's Admiral. 4 is unique universe. Every place the Straw Hat and their allies visit present a different challenge, usually involving political, historical, or military issues closely related to that specific saga, and that's why One Piece have unique universe. And last is the Revolution Army. The Revolution Army is a very powerful military organization. They are the only power in the world that is directly against the world government and is trying to dismantle it. They are especially against world nobles who control and benefit from the corruption of the world government. And what life lesson from One Piece that we can get? Life lesson from One Piece: friends and family are the most important thing in life. As the captain of the Straw Hat Pirate, Luffy loves the rest of his crew and considers them all to be valuable friends. And And that is, Luffy never hesitates to do everything he has to love save his friend. For Luffy, friends are the most important person in life who are worth fighting for. And two is that discrimination is never okay. It is because of discrimination Fisher Tiger met his unfortunate end. But despite all of the hardship human viciously forced upon him, he still know that they weren't all bad and tried to not to hate them. He know that had only fierce hate and died trying to end the cycle. And three is teamwork determine your success. Unlike other pirate teams that rely on strength, Luffy prefers to form a team that has a collaboration. Uh, Even so, it doesn't mean that Luffy crew members are not strong. All the members of the Straw Hat crew have different abilities and specialists that make their team invisible. And fourth is there's nothing wrong with being who you are. If one cop exists as a living testament that everyone should be free to live comfortably in their own skin, whether that's male, female, or anything in between. Short or tall, blonde or purple, straight or gay, be confident in yourself. Wear what you want, act how you want, and just be true yourself. So, what's the conclusion? Uh, if you haven't watched One Piece, give it a try. You will love it from the very first episode, and it is to worth it. If during pandemic you have bored or no work, you should be watch. I bet you will not regret it. So that's the end of my presentation and thanks for watching.